Refinement of modified endoscopic distal soft tissue procedure. First of all, with the plantar portal as the viewing portal and the toe web portal as the working portal, the abductor hallucis muscle insertion is released by means of a retrograde knife. After that, the lateral capsuloligamentous complex, including the lateral suspensory ligament, is released with the retrograde knife. Bunionectomy is then performed through the proximal and distal bunion portals. After that, two PDS sutures are inserted to the lateral side of the medial sesamoid by means of an angiocat, a straight-eyed needle, and a plastic tube through the dorsal incision at the level of the second metatarsal neck. The two limbs of the mini tape is then tied to the PDS sutures. By pulling these two PDS sutures, the mini tape is then delivered into the metatarsal sesamoid compartment and anchor the medial sesamoid. The mini tape is then retrieved to the proximal bunion portal and then pass through a bone tunnel at the first metatarsal and then loop around the second metatarsal neck and then pass through to the proximal medial incision at the level of the first metatarsal neck. The intermetatarsal angle is then reduced and transfixed with a kinetic screw. Finally, the mini tape is tightened and fixed to the first metatarsal by means of a swivel lock anchor.